What if I told you I had a method for helping you to avoid the peaks and valleys of cash flow and the peaks and valleys of keeping your pipeline full? Hey everyone, I'm Donna Miller and I am thrilled to invite you to my first ever masterclass. April 18th, you can attend in person or via Zoom. And here's what I know for sure. If you do the behavior, the results will come. During this masterclass, we are going to go over my simple and transformative one-page business plan, which includes creating a plan that you will stay accountable to drive results that avoid the peaks and valleys of cash flow. I'm on a mission to help as many companies as possible to grow to a point where their businesses run without them involved in the day-to-day, and I'd love to help you be one of those companies. Join me April 18th. Register on my website, c3workplace.com, and this is the only time this will ever happen, but this will be a free masterclass. It's my first one. I want to get as much feedback as possible. Register today at c3workplace.com and avoid the peaks and valleys of cash flow. Thanks so much.